What's up, guys? Marco Juco 21 here today. Today I have an unboxing from Shop MVG. Right now, as you can see, currently I'm trying to get this box open here with just a good old tweezer, popping it open. This is going to be one quick unboxing because I've never seen anybody with a Shop MVG unboxing. I have shot from Shop MVG boxing before. There you go. As you can see, I had a combustion sticker. Then over here we have a good old freaking receipt. After we get into the box, this is what we got included. I only bought a few things. I'd be having a little bit more things within the week. These are very quick unboxings. As you guys can see, I got the Aspire Breeze, 5 coil packs. Pretty cheap here. They sell them for like $10. All right, we got what is this? The Gorilla, Chubby Gorilla battery cases for 18,650. They can hold 2 of those. Pretty fine inside. You guys can see the little latch. You just pop them right in, protects them really well. Now, finally, but last but not least, we have our Bombies juice. Bombies juice is probably one of the best juices I've ever had, especially my favorite, Nana Cream. My local vape shop used to sell this, but now they don't anymore. Finally found it at Shop MVG. They sell it for a lot cheaper. I do smoke a zero nick. Don't like nick anymore. Used to, but can't anymore. You guys can see a little bit of warning label, but that was all that's in the box. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing. This is Marco Juko 21. Peace.